Hello, good morning, all of you. Today we will start with the lesson number 6 triangles, exercise 6.3, question number 5. Here, S and T are points on the sides PR and QR of triangle PQR, such that angle P is equal to angle RTS, and show that triangle RPQ and RTS are similar. RPQ. First you recognize the triangle RPQ, and next triangle is RTS. So for proving two triangles to be similar, I already told you very simple criteria is AA. That means any two pair of corresponding angle equal you prove. Any two pair of corresponding angle. Already from that name of the triangle itself, you knowing that R is the common angle. Angle R is common. One angle you got and one angle given here. So you got no direct answer got. Okay. So here listen, the points which are given in the question I written here. In triangle PQR, T is a point on QR and AC is a point on PR, such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. So that is already given. What is given? Simply I written. Now you take the triangle which you wants to prove. Triangle RPQ and triangle RTS you wants to prove. So take the triangle RPQ and RTS. So what you can say? Angle RPQ is equal to angle RTS already given in the question. RPQ, the meaning is that angle P, and RTS, that means angle RTS full name. This is already given, no? So instead of angle P, I written here full name of the angle. That only written, nothing else written. RPQ, full name of the angle written. So in your given part, only angle P written. Instead of angle P, I written angle RPQ. And angle RPQ is equal to angle RTS. Given. The next one, angle PRQ. This I already, first of all, I told you angle R is common. Therefore, angle PRQ is equal to angle TRS. So angle R also equal given, no? See here. It is common. Therefore, two angles already we proved congruent, no? So by which criteria? AA similarity rule. That is very simplest one. Very easy to prove. Any two pair of corresponding angle only you wants to prove. So you proved a angle AA criteria. What you can say? These two triangle RPQ and triangle RTS are similar. Clear? Now question number 6 I written as homework, and question number 7, all are very easy writers only. Question number 7, listen. Altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at P. Here AD and CE are the altitudes. Altitude means foot of the perpendicular is always 90 degree. Here this point D 90 degree, here this point also 90 degree. Because given AD is an altitude given and C is also an altitude given in the question. Okay. So this angle is already 90 degree. So here you want to prove four triangles, four different triangles given similarity. So very easy to prove, very simple. In all the four cases we are only applying AA corollary only. So very easily and systematically you can take it one by one. But diagram scrolling you can't able to see. That is a problem. Next page I didn't written the diagram also. I didn't draw the diagram. But you see this diagram. First point you can write triangle AEP and triangle CDP. Take AEP find out AEP. This is this triangle which I pointed, and CDP which triangle? This triangle CDP which I triangle I pointed, that one. So in these two triangles, can you say two angles are equal? Any two angles you say? Which angle? Very clear cut angle you know. What about angle AEP? 90 degree. What about angle CDP? 90 degree. Therefore, what you can say, AEP is equal to CDP. 90 degree got no? Okay. One pair of angle congruent got. Now, what about this angle? APE and angle CPD. What type of angles? Vertically opposed angles. That two angles are also equal. Therefore, by AA criteria, what you can say, these two triangles are similar. What I written is just same. See here. AEP, CDP 90 degree and this one. So by AA criteria rule, what you can say, these two triangles are similar. Okay. Same way only remaining all the triangles you are proving. Now next one also I will show you. From the diagram only you can understand. Triangle ABD. Recognize the triangle ABD. ABD. This is the triangle ABD. Okay. And next triangle is CBE. CBE. Here very clear angle B is common. ABD and angle CBE. What is angle B is common now? Yes. Then angle ABD. ABD recognize. What is angle ABD? ABD is this angle. So what about this angle? 90 degree. And CB is saying what about this angle? 90 degree. Okay, that only we written downside. You can see. Second part C. ADB is equal to CB 90 degree. Angle ABD is equal to angle CB, common angle. Therefore, by AA corollary or AA similarity rule, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle CB. Okay, clear students? Very easily can understand, no? Now, next third part you can see. See the third part. Triangle AEP and triangle ADP. You recognize triangle AEP. AEP. AEP got this triangle, which I pointed. Now, next one is ADB. AEP. One triangle. Next triangle is coming ADB. Here also you can say which angle is common? Angle A is common. AEP also, ADB also, this angle, this much portion common. This much portion which I pointed, this much portion. Whole angle not coming, this one. Okay. So AEP and ADB, this angle is common only. Therefore we can say that angle common. Then AEP, what about this angle? 90 degree. And ADB, what about this angle? 90 degree. Therefore, what you can say, by AA similarity rule, this triangle AEP and triangle ADB also similar. Okay, that also I written down side. Now, next point is the PDC. PDC, recognize triangle PDC, this one. And BEC. PDC, this one. And BEC, this one. This triangle, this BEC. So here also which angle is common? Angle C common. Okay, easily you can look at, properly listen and write. Triangle PDC and triangle BEC saying angle C is common. Okay, in BEC this angle 90 degree, in PDC this angle 90 degree. Therefore by AA similarity rule, again what you can say, triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. Okay, all the points systematically I written downside. So from the diagram only you can understand. That is why I am explaining in the diagram itself. Okay, what is written downside, you yourself analyze. All the points systematically written here. Okay, these all points same we explained only. Okay, second part and third one, go through all the points, and fourth one. Okay, these are the 4 parts. 4 parts already we proved. Clear students? All of you copy it? Try to copy it. Okay, completed. Now go to the next question. Question number 8. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and B intersects CD at F. Show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Question, listen. So E is a point on the side, E is a point of the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and B intersects CD at the point F. Show that. So here the diagram, listen. Here this ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. So this AD is extending, AD produced, that is already given the question. AD is produced to E. Okay. And B intersecting in such a way that B intersecting CD at the point F. Okay, see the diagram. Are you getting now properly? What is ABCD? ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. This AD is extending, AD is produced to E. And B is joined. While B is joining, B intersecting CD at which point? F. Okay. So what you wants to prove? You wants to prove that ABE. AB means which triangle? This big triangle ABE, this one. And CFB means which triangle? This triangle CFB. These two triangles you want to prove similar. Okay. So you yourself think, any idea is there or not? Which triangles you want to prove? You want to prove that ABE, this big triangle, and CFB, this triangle, are similar. Can you able to prove, you think? Did you got any idea? This ABE big triangle and this triangle CFB you want to prove as similar. So here this ABE triangle and CFB triangle, when you are taking, CFB this triangle and AB is the big triangle. Okay. In this triangle, what about this angle E and angle B? What type of angles? What type of angles coming? These are the alternate angles. See here, you extend this AE and this BC also extend here. This AB, AE and BC extending. You can draw this as the transversal, no? You can draw it as the transversal. Transversal drawing. What about this angle? This angle and this angle are alternate interior angles. So how to name the angle? AEB. And how to name this angle? CBF. Or we can write it as FBC. Anyway name. But this is the angle. This angle and this angle E are alternate angles. So you can draw this as the parallels and this is the transversal. Okay. Next, one more angle you want to prove congruent. Which angle? One more, next angle which you can see. See this angle A. And what about this angle C? Is they are equal or not? They are equal. What's the reason? Opposite angles of a parallelogram. Angle A and angle C are opposite angles of a parallelogram. Angle A how to name? BAE. Angle C how can name? BCF, or you can write FCB. So this angle and this angle are congruent. So you got no two pair of corresponding angles congruent, got no. So the triangles are similar. So you can see what I written here. ABE. ABE. ABE means this angle. Sorry, AEB this angle, and CBF, this angle are equal. What's the reason written? Alternate angles. A is parallel to BC, B is the transversal. And next angle, which one? Angle BAE, this angle. And next angle is C. C means which angle? FCB. Okay, these two angles are equal. What's the reason here written? Opposite angles of a parallelogram ABCD. Therefore, two pair of corresponding angles we proved equal, no? If two pair of corresponding angles are equal, what you can say? By AA similarity rule, these two triangles are similar. Okay, you can see now, mostly most of the riders we applied AA similarity rule only, because it is the easiest one. Okay, are you got clear? Completed? Now next question number 9. In figure, ABC and AMB are two right triangles, right angled at B and M. Right angles at which points? Right angles at the point B and right angle at the point M. Triangle ABC is right angled at B and triangle AMB is right angled at M. Clear? So what do you want to prove? First point, you want to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP, and second part, CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. So when you are proving this, no, automatically you will get this one. So you try to prove these two triangles are similar. You can see the diagram. Listen here. Triangle ABC right angled at B and AMB is right angled at M. So very easily you can prove. In triangle ABC and triangle AMB, what is a common angle? What is angle B? 90 degree. What is angle M? 90 degree. So two pair of corresponding angles equal, got no? How easily getting? So triangle ABC right angled at B and triangle AMP is right angled at M. In triangle ABC and triangle AMP, angle ABC equal to angle AMP is equal to 90 degree. Angle BAC, angle MAP, what is common angle? Already I explained in the diagram. Angle BAC and angle MAP, A is the common angle, therefore they are equal. Okay, see here, BAC and MAP are equal, common. Angle ABC and angle AMB, what type of angles? Right angles, 90 degree. Therefore, by AA similarity rule, what you can say? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Are you following? Yes. Now, so first part of that only you asked in the question. What's the question? Prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. We proved now. Then second part, what is given? So you want to prove that CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. These two triangles are already similar, got no? If these two triangles are similar, automatically we can say that if two triangles are similar, its all corresponding sides are in the same proportion. So we can see the next step. See here. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Therefore, corresponding sides in the same proportion take. AB by AM is equal to BC by MP is equal to CA by PA. See, but we need only these two. So take that two only. CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. That only you want to prove, so that only you written. Are you got now? Yes? Now, question number 10. CD, GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF. ACB and EGF, such that D and H lie on sides AB and EF. Okay. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, show that CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. First question. Second question, triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. And third question is that triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. Okay. Now listen. What is given in the question? Triangle ABC and triangle FEG are similar given. The meaning is that angle A and angle F are equal, angle B and angle E are equal, angle C and angle G are equal. Second condition, AB by EF is same as BC by EG is same as AC by FG. Okay. And one more point is given. CD and GH are the bisectors of angle ACB and angle FGE. Bisectors of ACB and FGE. Bisectors, the meaning is that these two angles are equal and these two angles are also equal. Already C and G equal only, no, because these two triangles are similar, then its all angles are equal. Therefore, half of the angles are also will be equal. Now, so what he wants to prove now? CD by HG is equal to AC by FG. So that we will take these two triangles. Which triangle? Triangle ACD and triangle FGH. Okay. So try to prove these two triangles similar. Can you able to prove these two triangles similar? See what I written down, sir. See. Triangle ACD and triangle FGH you are taken. Can you able to prove these two triangles similar? So this all I can able to explain in the diagram only. Simply explaining you are not understanding anything. See here. How can prove these two triangles similar? What about angle A and angle F? Already given it is equal. Therefore angle CAD is equal to angle GFH. This angle are equal given in the question. And now what about these two angles? These two angles are also equal because angle C and angle G are equal now. If angle C and angle G are equal, half of the angle also equal. Therefore what you can say, by AA similarity rule, we can prove that these two triangles are similar. So that all points I written down side. See here. In triangle ACD and triangle FGH, angle CAD is equal to angle GFH. Reason, angle A equal to angle F already knowing. Why? Here written. Because why it is written? Because the triangles are similar given. And next point, angle ACD is equal to angle FGH. What's the reason? Angle C and angle G already equal. Therefore, half of the angle also equal. Therefore, by which rule? By AA similarity rule, what we are proving, writing triangle ACD is similar to triangle FGH. If two triangles are similar, its all corresponding sides are in same proportion. Clear? So here listen. Which you, all the three sides in proportion we can take, but which you need that only take. CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. See here, once more repeat. CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. Okay. You see in the question what that is asked or not, you verify. What's the question? See here. CD by GH is equal to AC by FG only asked that we proved. Okay. Now second question, listen. Question number 2. Triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. Triangle DCB. DCB means which triangle? This one. And HG means which triangle? This one. So can you able to prove this also? You can prove. How can prove it is? What about angle B and angle E? Equal. Why? It is given angle B and angle E are equal. Why it is equal? Because the triangles already similar given. Therefore angle B and angle E are equal. Okay. Second point. Can you able to prove this angle? Which angle? Angle DCB is equal to angle HGE. Can you able to prove it is equal? Yes. Because angle C and angle G are equal, therefore half of the angle also equal. Therefore again how we are proving? By AA similarity rule we can prove that these two triangles are similar. Okay, you can see what is written. See here. In triangle DCB and triangle HGE, triangle DBC is equal to triangle angle HEG, because angle B and angle E already given as similar, equal given. And now angle DCB is equal to angle HGE. Reason, angle C and angle G are equal, therefore half of the angle also equal. Therefore what we written? By AA similarity rule these two triangles are similar. Okay. How simple proof is there, full. Very easy. Now last question. Question angle DCA. Triangle DCA. Triangle DCA means which triangle? This one. Triangle DCA and triangle HGF. Already we proved it is first. Again they asked triangle DCA is equal to triangle similar to triangle HGF. You say, can you able to prove? Yes. What about angle A and angle F? They are equal. Angle A and angle F are equal because triangles are similar, therefore these angles are equal. First point. And second point, angle DCA is equal to angle HGF. Why? This whole angle C and angle G are equal. Therefore, half of the angles are also equal. Therefore, again by which criteria? AA similarity rule, we will prove that these two triangles are similar. This already we proved it is first. From that only we proved. See here. ACD and DCA both are same only. No? In triangle DCA and triangle HGF, angle DAC equal to angle DFG because angle A and angle F are equal. First point. And DCA and HGF are equal because angle C and angle G are equal. Therefore, half of the angles are also will be equal. So, two corresponding angles we already proved similar, equal. If two corresponding angles are equal, then by AA similarity rule, we can say that this triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. Okay, so go through the points once more. And now the 4 or 5 riders are there. I will explain in the next video tomorrow. Okay, go through the points. Here all we are applying a criteria only, a similarity rule. Now today I explain all the video, all the riders I explain with the a similarity. That is very simple for proving also. Very you want to take any two pair of corresponding angles only. So that will be easy for doing also. So that you select in such a way. Okay. So here also we are applying A criteria only. Therefore this triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. Okay students. So remaining riders I will explain in the next video. Bye.